Leica Wireless Solutions has signed a 3.8 crore rupees contract with the Indian Navy for the supply of a 4G tactical land system that can be deployed within minutes, allowing military units to establish reliable communication links rapidly in the battlefield. India has told Canada that it must reduce its diplomats from 62 to just 21 by 10th October, and India will revoke the diplomatic immunity of those diplomats who will remain in India after 10th October. Indian Army Chief has arrived on a significant 4-day visit to Tanzania, as India aims to sell its Akash air defense system to Tanzania and several African nations in the region. Border Security Force has shot down a Chinese-built Pakistani drone in Punjab, and have seized a 2.7 kilograms packet containing narcotics. Research and Analysis Wing and National Technical Research Organization will jointly create new intelligence generation posts along LAC with China, for collection of signals, electronic and communication intelligence on the Chinese army. The Indian Air Force Chief has said that the Air Force plans to induct 6 squadrons of MRFA in a phased manner under the Make in India initiative, and detailed interactions with 8 aircraft manufacturers have taken place, seeking commitments for indigenous content and integrate indigenously developed Astra air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground weapons on the MRFA plan to be manufactured in India. The Rafale F4 standard is expected to be the winner, as the Indian Air Force had recently asked Dassault Aviation to integrate Indian-made weapons on the Rafale fighter jet. He also said that the Air Force also conducted a review of the AMCA program, and many niche technologies are being developed as part of the program, and the Air Force is actively supporting the DRDO on the indigenous program. The Indian Air Force Chief has said that the 65,000 crore rupees Super Sukhoi upgrade program would be carried out first with 90 aircraft, and will be later implemented on the remaining 160 aircraft, making them very close to 5th generation capabilities. He also added that the upgrade will be carried out indigenously by a joint team of Hindustan Aeronautics and the Indian Air Force, that will include UTAM Mark III radar, new avionics, electronic warfare suites and weapons. Officials of Hindustan Aeronautics held a discussion with Egyptian authorities, during which HAL has extended an offer for the transfer of technology of Tejas MK1A to Egypt, including local assembly capabilities. Egypt is interested to procure 35 aircraft initially, with local assembly for 100 more fighter jets in Egypt. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has released an expression of interest seeking prospective collaborators for joint development of tracked futuristic infantry combat vehicle gun version for the Indian Army. A technology collaboration agreement will be signed that will enable BHEL to design, manufacture, test and supply Tracked FICV for the Indian Army, that will feature a 30mm automatic cannon, fire and forget top attack ATGMs and a 12.7mm stabilized remote-controlled weapon station. The Indian Air Force has moved a 6,000 crore rupees proposal to acquire 3 airborne intelligence-gathering aircraft that will enable tracking of enemy assets across the border, signal intelligence gathering, and pinpointing enemy radar and air defense positions in real time. The sensor technologies and monitoring equipment will be completely indigenous, but the aircraft will be a commercial jet acquired from abroad. A 2,971 crore rupees contract was signed with Bharat Dynamics Limited in 2022 for the supply of Astra Mark I missiles for the Indian Air Force and the Navy, and as latest media reports, Bharat Dynamics will deliver the first batch of Astra Mark I missiles by the end of 2023. Officials also said that development of Astra Mark II is also underway, which has already conducted static firing, during which entire missile was fired to check whether the whole system is working. The former Army Chief retired General Naravani has said that the Indian Army needs to shift its artillery focus from towed guns to mounted gun systems. He pointed out the challenges faced by towed artillery guns in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict, where area denial systems are posing significant obstacles for deploying artillery units effectively. The tracked gun systems like the K9 Vajra offers great mobility, but it comes with a higher price tag, and the truck-mounted gun systems can effectively bridge the operational gap between towed and tracked artillery. Today's top 3 comments.